It was lunchtime at the Ai Educare Center in Penang, Malaysia, but on the menu was nothing but plain rice and potatoes. The meal reminded students of the hardship suffered by the poor. Earlier, teachers also used a paddling pool to teach children about respecting nature.
Splashing around in an inflatable swimming pool, pupils from the Ai Educare Center in Penang, Malaysia are enjoying the coolness of the water. Without warning, mud and various kinds of trash mysteriously appear in the pool. Children squirm and flee when a teacher tries to invite them back into the water. Rubbish has been deliberately placed in the water to teach the preschoolers a lesson. Dipping their hands into the murky water, children role-play as the rescuers of a polluted river. Later on, the teacher reinforces their sense of environmental responsibility. Following the outdoor session, a class is given on recognizing and cherishing one's good fortune. Master Zheng Yan's program is screened, in which she talks about Haitians who do not have enough to eat. A simple lunch consisting of rice and congee with table salt and sweet potato is arranged to supplement the moral of the lesson. The bland food helped the children realize how lucky they are. By bringing their own toys to exchange with others, children learn the virtues of sharing and reusing. Learning to protect the environment and practice self-discipline, these children are being equipped with a wholesome outlook on life at a very young age.